another package for video reviews. I think I know what is this. Yes, this is a wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto adapter, 5G chip, 10-second quick connection, 12-month guarantee, and it fits in 800 plus models. So we're gonna try it later in a car here. So I'm here with this 2025 Toyota 4Runner, 6th generation of this fabulous SUV. And the problem with this, or it's not a problem, but that's the way it's set up, to be able to enjoy all the services from this car, you have to connect, subscribe, and all that. So to avoid that, these products are really the best solution, because with this you can connect wirelessly. MSXTTLY. So here is technical support, guarantee, pretty simple process. Scan the transparency code, authenticates, and it's already done. It's a user manual, not very complicated. I've done a few of these from other manufacturers, and this is the steps. You plug into a port, connect your phone via Bluetooth, and basically that's it. 2 steps. So let's do that. You can connect the device using the USB-A ports, but in this car all of them are USB-C. So the solution is this simple adapter, actually this one here. So you connect the device here, this goes in here. Let's look for it here in Bluetooth. I have a lot of things here. Let me get rid of some of them. A Volkswagen, I don't need that, I already drove it. Smart box, there it is. Here's the pairing, allow. So now it says it's connected. I don't know why the screen is black, but let's do the universal solution for every problem. Turn everything off and back on. See, oh, I guess I have to connect my phone here. Connect the device. Toyota 4Runner, pair, okay, allow, enable Apple CarPlay, yes. There you go, we're connected. We have Apple CarPlay. We don't need the navigation from the vehicle, which is really good, but again, if you don't have a subscription of some of these services that require a subscription, you can always use one of these devices. So MSXTTLY wireless adapter, 12-month guarantee, really good product. So let's go for a drive with this car. Yeah. So as an example, let's say we're going to the airport, which we're not, but Miami International Airport. Go.
Starting route to Miami International Airport.
There you go.
Head east on Southwest 86th Street. Then take the first left onto Southwest 58th Avenue. Keep right.
Images in the new Apple CarPlay are amazing. Look at the detail here on the map. Actually,
at the next light, turn left.
Doesn't show the baseball field, but it shows a big park there. Pretty nice. And now every time I come in the car and this is connected, my phone gets hooked and opens up here on the screen. So thumbs up to this Apple CarPlay adapter.